Forgive me if I get a little excited up here. Sometimes I just think, when I'm at home or when I'm walking my dog, whatever it is, sometimes I just think where God brought me from, the things that He just didn't allow to happen to me. It's a song that says, it passed over me. It passed over me. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have that testimony. It passed over me. I'm just keep saying, it passed over me. It passed over me. He didn't let it be. And I had my times of depression and had my times of insecurity, had my times of didn't know my worth, didn't know my value in God, didn't know why I was here. I had suicidal thoughts. I was trying to find love in all the wrong places. Because I didn't have my father. I didn't have him to tell me that,